So this is a solar light set that I bought at Dollarama recently. It's 75 microdot string lights, and while you can't probably see too well during the daytime, they are cute little lights, and during the nighttime it's going to be quite visible from far. So let's just shut that off, and I'll show you how to get inside the little box here and change out the battery. Just one other thing to mention is the solar screen is about 3 inches big, and this kit also came with a garden stake, so if you wanted to put this in the ground you could easily plunk that in, but personally I'm going to mount it to a piece of wood with these 3 little pre-drill holes. So to remove the screws, and I've already taken one out, you're going to need a super small tip screwdriver to remove all 4 screws, and they come out very easily, and they go back just as easy as well. So let me work on getting them all out, and we'll be back. So when you flip it open, you're going to see there's a couple of wires attached to the base. You don't want to detach those, and you're just going to spring the battery out. And I just want to show you this battery, how weak it is. It's only a 600 mAh 1.2 volt battery, and it'll work, I don't know, for a short period in the evening when the sun goes down. Your other choice is to go to Dollarama and buy this Panasonic battery, which is it's 1.2 volt. It's a NiMH battery, and it's 1100 strength, and it's cheaper at Dollarama, but even better, it's more expensive, is to use a Duracell battery. It's the same kind of battery, and it's 2500 strength. So for me, I found this is the better deal. Take out the El Cheapo battery in there, and this one will last well into the morning hours. So let's get to it. So all you got to do is carefully pop this out, positive at the other end, and we're going to put in the Duracell, and let's see, there, done. So I found from my experience putting these things outside is if you dip the screws into a bit of petroleum jelly, it will protect them from rusting. So I've done one already, and there's a good goop of petroleum jelly, and I'm just going to fasten that down carefully, a few little twists, and now I'm not going to clean wipe that at all. It's going to protect it all summer long, and it's that simple. So let me do the other 2 screws, and we'll be back in a minute. So we're all done. All 4 screws have a good goop petroleum jelly. The other screw on the side of the unit, I put some jelly on there as well. So now the whole thing is protected, and we're good to go. So here's the finished product. It's mounted to my railing, a couple of twist ties. It's screwed down securely, and it's facing kind of south, and so I just wrapped the solar lights all around my trestle here, and we'll see what it looks like tonight, and that's it for this project.